శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 417th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతం సభాపర్వం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis through 13th and 14th chapters, saying that Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: For Raja, Dharmaraju sent one messenger to Sri Krishna Paramatma to invite him to get his opinion about Rajasuya Yagam. That messenger went and saying to Krishna like this: "O Krishna, Dharmaraju wanting to have you come there to Indraprastham. Dharmaraju is seeking your darshanam." Now Dharmaraju is along with Dhaumya, Vyasa, Panchala, Matsya kings and then his brothers. Along with all of them, Dharmaraju is seeking your darshanam. Then the moment the messenger said like that, Krishna immediately started from there, reached Indraprastham and met with Dharmaraju, did namaskaram to Kunti Devi and met Arjuna in a special place. Pritah Pritena Suhruda Reme Sa Sahitastata. Because Arjuna is most beloved for him, Krishna met with Arjuna specially. And then Nakula Sahadeva did respected Sri Krishna Paramatma. After that, Krishna Paramatma rested for a while, then gave permission to Dharmaraju to come and meet with him. Then Dharmaraju came and asking like this: "O Krishna, I did sankalpam to perform Rajasuya Yagam, but I know just by resolving it won't be successfully accomplished. Also I know that you are only the one who knows all the paths to perform this Rajasuya Yagam. Yasmin sarvam sambhavati, yascha sarvatra pujyate, yascha sarvesvaro raja, Rajasuyam savindati." You are the one who can achieve everything. You are the one who is worshipped by everyone. You are the one who can rule all the kings. Oh Krishna, when I talk to my friends, everyone saying that yes, you can definitely do Rajasuya Yagam. But tatra me nischitatamam tava Krishna gira bhavet. Your opinion will be my final decision. Whatever you say, that will be my decision. Oh Krishna, some of my friends, because they like me, they probably doesn't want to tell my mistakes and whatever that I am missing, they don't want to say. That is how they encourage me to perform this Rajasuya Yagam. Some other friends, for their own benefit, they might be encouraging me, but you are not like that. You are beyond all this. You are beyond Kamam and Krodham. You are the one who can give me the best opinion. That is why I am seeking your opinion, by which my final decision will be there. Like that, Dharmaraju praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.